To show you the fundamental analysis of Muthoot Group. So you can see that this company is having very good brand, and Amitabh Bachchan is also brand ambassador of this company, and saying this "Hathi pe bharosa karoge to pakka jitoge." This kind of bottom line is saying by the company. You can see here the Muthoot Finance India's number one financial services, 2.5 lakh customers, 5,443 branches, 20 diversified business, 40,000 plus employee, global footprint UK, UAE, Central America, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Very good business model. You can review all these things from here. Okay. Let's see more fundamental of this company website. You can now see here on the screen. Muthoot Finance is the business of the diversified interest field of the financial service, healthcare, real estate, plantation, foreign exchange, information, language, education, insurance, distribution, and hospitality. Market cap of this company 57,000 crore, current price 1424, high is 1723, low is 1120, stock P 14.5, book value 408, dividend yield 1.4, return on equity 15.8, return on equity 27.8, face value 10. Ultimate score you always see less for this kind of company, because the NBFC company you will see ultimate score less. Reason behind, they are giving the loan, they are giving interest to the bank, so there are so you can't measure this ultimate score for this NBFC companies. Number of equity 40 crore, growth factor 3, parators 4, reserve power 0.3, price power 0.28, asset power 3. Asset means the asset is 3.53 times of their liabilities. PEG ratio 0.4, solidity 1.08 means very negligible dilution of the equity. And this is the, you can say, the maximum chart of the company. You can see here. Okay, so wow, what a company. So for example, you invested in this company in 2000, you can see in 2014-13, so 144.96 rupees shares. Now you are finding in 1400 multi-bagger return, 7.5 times, 8 times return. So company has a good profit growth is 35%, return equity 26%, company with a healthy dividend payout. Okay, and no cons right now. So you can see the company is doing same business by Bajaj Finance, Finserv, SBI card, has holding, HDFC Mutual Fund. Sales, you can see how sales is growing from 1800 crore to growing to 2800 crore. Expenses also managed by the company. Overall, you can see the margin is consistently by 75% to improve to 84%. Now 82% is consistent margin by the company. Company has to pay the interest, otherwise they cannot leave, because it's NBFC company has to pay the interest. And you can see the profit before tax, it is increasing from 794 crore to 1300 crore, and company is paying tax of 13, 15, 25% tax. They're still creating the net profit of 500 crore to 1000 crore net profit, which is very positive signs. And also you can see the last 10 years sales growth. And if you see that in the March 2010, the sales growth was 1000 crore. Now it's 11,000 crore. Nobody understands multi-bagger company. See what a company, and still company is giving 90%, 10%, 20% growth every year, which is very good sign for the sales as far as sales is concerned. OPM company is opening 77%, now 83% OPM. Interest, you can see how company is going 47 to 3800 interest, which is very positive sign for the NBFC company. Net profit also 228 crore to 3900 crore, which is very good in last 10 years. So compounded sales growth, if you see 5 years 17%, compounded profit is 5 year 36%, and stock CAGR is CAGR is 34, which is very big good sign for the company. One of the small concern, which is the normally the big companies doing, they are diluting the equity capital. Diluting the equity capital, you can see 301 now moving to 401, which is some small concern here, but overall the company is very good. Reserve is exponential growing, 284 crore reserve in 2010. Nobody understands the quality of the company. Now company reserve 15,000 crore. What a company, excellent. Borrowing has to grow, company has to grow their borrowing, because they have to borrow and give to the users and local people, so that they can take the loans and provide the money and return to the company, and company can grow accordingly. Company some investment also increased from 8 crore to increase to 1300 crore. Okay, other asset, if you check that, company have right now 7,845 cash, which is very excellent cash company is maintaining. Loan in advance 57,000 crore loan in advance. Other asset also 366. Okay, cash, very company maintaining healthy cash here. Debtor days you can see 0. Cash conversion 0. Working capital negative, which is very good sign. Return on capital employed also 16%. Promoter holding intact at 73.49, now reduced to 73.37, but not a concern. Company is actually sending this equity to the FI and DIS. Public holding is very low, which is also a very good sign for the company. So hope this video helpful for you for the future decision. Always check your advisor before buying any stock.